Good afternoon, it's me, Janet Rocio Vanegas. Let us have a glance at the headline first. Wow, okay, the first topic is Thanksgiving pizza. According to the survey, 1 in 5 Americans won't have enough money to pay for Thanksgiving dinner because it is too expensive for them. Food prices are rising due to a few reasons. A hot and dry summer in California made farming grow less vegetables. They also killed thousands of turkey because of bird flu. Lazily, few enough workers help with and to transport food. The reasons are why food prices are rising. Vegetables went up 90% since last year. A pound of turkey went up to $1.99 from $1.50 since last year. Many people want to save money on this year's Thanksgiving. Some people are planning to have a smaller dinner or to ask their guests to bring their own drinks. People in JC are planning to have soup, salad, and pizza. Okay, now back to the studio. That is for today. For further information, you can check our website at www.fakenews.com. Next time, take care.